So the goal for today's video is we're gonna go up north and fly the viaduct because currently we have a TFR. President Trump is in town at his golf course, which, as you guys probably know by now, means we have to navigate outside of this TFR area and go find a cool place to fly. So that's the goal. Before we get into that, in the last episode, I was using this camera angle right here, which is a completely new environment I've never filmed in, and no one really commented anything. Now, I'm not the type to really share a whole lot of my personal life. However, we moved into this new house right after we got back from Iceland. I wanted to give you guys a super quick, cringy MTV Cribs style tour because I'm gonna be filming here a lot in the future and I thought I'd show you guys around. So sit tight, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna venture up to the viaduct later on today. Roll the intro. Oh, hey, MTV Cribs? Didn't see you there. You wanna come in and check out the place? Come on in. So, you know, this is the living room, aka the editing suite. We got the beautiful lights, the laptop computer. This is where all the magic happens. All the videos get edited right here. Freaking dump truck. Oh, one of the best features here, we got the freaking robot vacuum that takes care of the cat litter. You know, that's always a problem. Over here we got the nice comfy couch, cat approved. This little guy. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. It's got all the standard features. We got a toilet, we got a jacuzzi tub, a freaking shower, washing machine dryer. We got a skylight, typical features. Over here we got the kitchen table. This is another cat. And if you come on over this way, right here with its own dedicated lighting feature, we have the 100,000 subscriber plaque, courtesy of YouTube. We're almost at 1 million. So this is my opportunity to say hit the subscribe button down below, and soon we will replace this very plaque with 1 million subscriber plaque. So in here in the kitchen, you got one of the most important features, the classic espresso machine. If you've been on this channel for a while, you will know this is literally what fuels every flight, every adventure, every video, every edit. There's an oven and a fridge here. We've got a sink and a dishwasher, so that's cool. Here's the bedroom, cat again. It's got a bed, it's got 2 windows, a ceiling fan. Oh, one more thing I forgot to show you. Let's go over here. So the primary reason we went with this house was because it had this shelf installed that was the perfect dimensions for the Icarus trophy. I've had the Icarus trophy just stowed away with nowhere to showcase it, and I mean, it can't get any better than this. So before we go up to the viaduct, Jeff, Judson, and Dan are coming along for the flight. If you guys watch the Iceland videos, we dropped the neon flare t-shirt. Bing, bing. I couldn't get my hands on one until we got back into New Jersey, so I just got one. It's freaking fresh. Soft materials, premium t-shirt. They're linked down in the description, and I'll put a little card up here. There's not many left, so get one before they're gone for good. So Dan's supposed to be here pretty soon. We're gonna carpool up together. Let's hit the road and head to the viaduct. So we just got here, Siemens Airport. I know, great name. It's a lot windier than we expected. It was supposed to be like light and variable tonight, but obviously the windsock is showing 2 gusting about 10 knots. So it's still early, there's still hope. We're gonna fly regardless, but it has to be extra calm to go under this viaduct safely. We did it last time and it was dead calm. So maybe we'll get a little feel for like what a little bit of turbulence in the viaduct feels like tonight, but hopefully it calms down a lot. Alright, status update. Jeff and Judson are in the air. Dan and I are about to launch. Judson and I went up a little bit earlier, tested the air, and it's fine. It's not turbulent at all really, except for down low, which might interfere with our viaduct stuff. We'll have to see how turbulent it is before we go under, but hopefully we'll do like a little buzz around everywhere and eventually go into the viaduct if it's calm enough. So that's the plan. Let's get in the air.
So the question we're going to answer tonight is if we can actually fly through the viaduct or not. Anytime you fly around objects, trees, hills, or through stuff like the viaduct, you have to take into account rotor, which is like turbulent air caused by the wind flying over it. So in this case, going through the viaduct, it has to be very, very calm air. Or else we're going to get really bad turbulence as we go through. So we're going to find out as we push onward. But I'm going to get the old Insta360 Mobile fired up, and we're going to have a freaking party. Just getting here to the viaduct. Freaking tripped in, got the Insta360 rolling. And we're about to find out what the wind situation is like down there. I haven't seen Judson go under yet. And I can feel that the wind is strong here, so I'm suspecting that it might be a little bit gnarly on the downwind side, but there's only one way to find out. Looks like Judson's going for it. Oh my god! He's going under. Judson, don't die, please. Pull out! Oh, it looked fine. Let's see. Make sure the old Judson Mobile isn't coming back. Oh, he is. But it's fine. We've got plenty of room for the party. Boy, mate! For how strong the wind is, surprisingly isn't that bumpy. There's people at this restaurant looking at us like, what the hell, man? Alright, so here's my favorite maneuver ever, and I gotta concentrate on this one. Wow, someone drew a giant penis up there. So you come on over here, make sure Judson's not in the line of fire. He's not. Right like this. And when you get right here, you freaking hook her under. Ew! Best day ever. And then you come over the tulip tree. And then you hook her down in. Oh, there was a freaking blue swan, aka heron, over there. And then you do the hay bale slalom. Ooh, it's chilly down here. There's bugs. It smells so good. Fresh cut hay. Okay, so next maneuver, we're gonna slalom as many as we can, which I think is 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Kind of high commitment situation as we go over these trees, but totally epic. So you come around here, watch your shadow go by. Around here, the next one you gotta go up a little bit higher for. And that's all she wrote. Oh, that's so crazy. Just do a left-hand maneuver of the century. Oh, there's fishermen down here. What's up, dudes? So I'm feeling like we've made enough noise in this area. Judson and Dan are down there. I don't know where Jeff went. Jeff! But anyway, there he is behind me. I think I'm gonna head back to the airport. We've got a good session in at the old viaduct. Alright, we are inbound to good old Siemens Airport. Jeff right up ahead. The sun is getting close. You can see that smoke over there, whatever fire's going on or something. It's really spreading. The surface winds are relatively strong. Alright, wind direction, check. Still the same as when we launched. Gonna be the best landing ever. Swoop the hangar. Oh, what a beauty. It always helps to make weird noises when you land. Gives you extra points.
Who the hell is that guy and how is he so fast? Wow, that guy sucks at landing.
Alright, I'll just fly it.
And then something blew up just now?
Yeah, and then I was doing winglovers and we're at the bottom of one. It just sounded like something shredded back there.
Something shredded.
Like all sorts of clicking and like I could feel it from the harness and stuff.
Your propeller's okay.
That's the important part. Starter just nickered. Oh, it came off.
Wait, give her a yank.
Oh, that's a good one.
Your starter fully?
The whole thing just came off.
Oh.
How is...
That's not supposed to be like that.
No, it's not. It's definitely not.
Dan, don't crash. Whoa! What a guy. How is he so graceful? B-rolling your gas can.
Oh, is that how you start it?
I think I'm going the wrong way though.
Oh, that'll make you go backwards.
Oh, super late. We just got back in. It was like a 2-hour drive back, but the flight was awesome. Went according to plan. I'm super stoked that we actually got to fly through the viaduct. Judson's starter blew off his motor somehow. I don't know if the screws backed out or if it broke or something, but it's gonna get that fixed by the next time we fly, which will likely be another avoiding the presidential TFR adventure. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Drop a like and check out the new merch if you like it. I'm stoked to finally have one. I'm gonna sign off and leave you guys with my cat attacking a bug. Peace.